Welcome to our channel. Today we how to withdraw from Printful earnings to your US bank, complete guide step by step. To withdraw your earnings from Printful to your US bank account, start by logging into your Printful account. Navigate to the dashboard where you can view your recent earnings. Click on the Billing or Earnings section in the left-hand menu. Here, you will find a summary of your earnings and payouts. Locate the Withdraw button, typically found near your earnings balance. Click on the Withdraw button to proceed. You will be prompted to select a withdrawal method. Choose the option for bank transfer. If this is your first withdrawal, you may need to set up your bank account details. Enter your bank account information accurately. Make sure to include your account number and routing number. After entering your details, double-check for any mistakes. Once verified, save your bank account information. Return to the withdrawal page to initiate the transfer. Specify the amount you wish to withdraw. Read the terms and conditions related to withdrawals carefully. Confirm that you want to proceed with the withdrawal. Click on the Submit or Confirm button to finalize the process. You should receive a notification confirming your withdrawal request. Typically, it may take a few business days for the funds to appear in your bank account. Check your bank account to ensure you receive your transferred earnings. If you face any issues, refer to Printful's Help Center for assistance. This concludes the withdrawal process from Printful to your US bank account. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.